Abithaa a commission ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC marokira gutabania birigiceni mucii-ini Uria wari ngabana wa tene wa kaunti ya Nairobi Evans Kidero mwena wa muthaiga makirikana magwethaga maratathi maria mangiteithiriria kuibaibia uira wa cira uria umugumiire wa gukungia mbeca cia muingi riria ari ngabana wa Nairobi.
This morning EACC came with a search warrant for my house. It would appear to me that they are looking for evidence because they never had evidence to arrest me in the first place. They should have had enough evidence before they arrested me. And this is pure harassment, is a violation of my rights.
Thutha wa kwaga maratathi macio, abithaa aya a EACC makua Kidero o nginyagia wabici-ini yake mwena wa Westlands guku Nairobi na mathie na mbere na birigiceni iyo. Mweri umwe muhituku Kidero ni eriga guikio ngono thutha wa wabici ya mucirithania wa thitango cia muingi kuga ari na cira wa gucokia wigie gukungia mamilioni ma mbeca. Kidero ni areganire na thitango iyo na akirekererio na mbiro ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 2 kana bodi yake mwene ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 5. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.